Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Gatto. Today we are going to talk about weather. Now, weather is all around us. It affects lots of the things we do. Weather helps us decide what to wear, what to do, and even sometimes what to eat. Do you look at the weather before you go outside? Look at this picture. Do you think the boy's plans will change because of the weather? So let's look. He's got a baseball, he's got his baseball glove. It looks like he was getting ready to go outside to play baseball. But then when he looked out the window, what does he see? That's right, he sees rain. So do you think that's going to change his plans? Is he going to be able to go outside and play baseball? No. So we're going to be talking a little bit more about weather. Weather is a mixture of things that happen in certain places and at certain times. These include sunlight and clouds, wind, snow, rain, and the temperature, how hot or cold it feels outside. Now, the mix of factors change all the time. The weather is always changing depending on the mix of the factors. So let's take a look at these four pictures and let's see if we can figure out what kind of weather. So if we look here, we can see something bright and shiny in the sky. Do you guys know what that is? Yes, that's the sun. So in this picture, we can see that it is a sunny day. If we look at this picture, we see someone using an umbrella. So what type of day do you think it is? That's right, rainy day. In this picture, we see leaves flying all around. Do you know what kind of weather makes things fly around? If you said windy, you are right. Windy days. And look at this. Have you guys ever seen so much snow? This is a snowy day. So we have sunny day, rainy day, windy day, and a snowy day. The first type of weather we're going to talk about is wind. Wind, what is it? What is it like outside on a windy day? Wind is air moving. Sometimes you can hear the wind move or you feel it blow on your face. You can't see the wind, but you can see how it moves other things. If it's just a little light breeze, you might see the grass rustling, you might hear the grass, or if it's a big gust of wind, you could see a whole tree branch bend over. So our first type of weather that we're going to learn about is windy. Have you ever seen something moving in the wind? After you finish my video, I'm going to have this video for you guys to watch. I want you guys to watch and see what happens to the leaves in this story.